Krishna, I am Girinadita from Rhythmic Rhythms. Let's now explore the fourth verse of Hanuman Chalisa. Kanchana Varana Viraja Subesha, Kanana Kundala Kunchita Kesha. This verse beautifully describes Hanuman's divine appearance, a form that radiates both strength and grace. Let's understand the meaning. Kanchana Varana means his body shines like pure gold. Hanuman's entire form glows with a golden radiance, not just as physical color, but as a symbol of his divine energy and purity. Just like gold is pure, untarnished, and valuable, so is Hanuman's presence. Viraja Subesha means he is adorned with graceful and divine clothing. Even though Hanuman is a warrior and Vanara, his appearance reflects dignity and divine beauty. His dress is simple but full of spiritual elegance. Now, the second line. Kanana Kundala refers to the earrings Hanuman wears, beautifully shining and divine. Kunchita Kesa means his curly, well kept hair, adding to his majestic form. These details may seem small, but they remind us of something deeper. Hanuman's outer appearance reflects his inner purity, discipline, and devotion. Even in the battlefield or in service, Hanuman never forgets his divinity and carries himself with strength, humility, and grace. This verse teaches us your outer actions and inner thoughts should be aligned with your higher purpose. Let your body, mind, and energy reflect the divine just like Hanuman. So, when you chant Kanchana Varana Viraja Subesha, Kanana Kundala Kunchita Kesha, you are visualizing the gold, glowing, graceful form of Hanuman and inviting that divine strength and purity into your life. Jai Hanuman.